Hello everyone, welcome to my new class here. Today I will continue from our previous class. Okay, here uh, I have written two questions here and three fill in the blanks. These are from page number 95 from your textbook. Okay, let's start with number 2 here. We are given here there are 30 students in grade 5 and 12 students are girls. How many percent of students are girls? Here you have to find out the percentage of girls. Okay, and here number 3, there are 50 students in grade 5 and 42% students are girls. How many girl students are in the class here? Okay, here you are given percentage of girl students and you have to find the number of girl students. Here you are given number of girl students and you have to find the percentage of the girl students here. Okay, two maths and two problems here, both are different from each other. Okay, here at first with number 2 is solution number 2. Here we are given total students 30. We are given total students equals to 30. Okay, number of total students 30 and number of girl students 12. So here we have 12 number of girl students. Here we have 12 out of 30. So how many percent of students are girls? That means here you have to find the number of girl students out of 100 percent. How many percent? That means you have to find out here out of 100 how many girls students there out of 100. Here we are given 12 out of 30, so we have to convert this out of 100. So if we express this number in a fraction, then we have here 12 out of 30. That means we have 12 out of 30. Okay, so here we have to convert this number out of 100. Now if we simplify this fraction, then we have here 6 times 2 times 6, that is 12. So we have here 2 and 5 times 6, that is 30. Okay, now to convert this fraction out of 100, that means to express this fraction using the symbol percent, so we have to convert this fraction here. In bottom here we have 5, but we have to convert this 5 into 100. So we have to multiply this number by 20. So here we have 2 by 5, and if we multiply 5 by 20, then we will get 100, and we have to also multiply 2 by 20. Then we have here that is 40 out of 100. Okay, now in our last class we already learned how to express a decimal, express a fraction number using percent symbol. Okay, so here we have 40 into 1 by 100. That means here we have 40%. That is our result. Okay, so the answer of number 2, the question number 2, that is 40%. 40% girl students are in the class. Okay, now number 3 here. We are given here there are 50 students in grade 5 and 42% students are girls. How many girl students are in the class? That means here 42% students are girl, and we have total number 50. So 42% of 50, that is our required result. Here we are given number 3, given that total number of students equals to 50 and 42% students are girl. So we have to find how many girl students are in the class. That means we have 42% of 50. That means 42% of 50. That is our required result. Okay, now if we convert this percent number into fraction, then we have here that is equals to 42 into 1 by 100. That means we can also write as 42 by 100 of, that means here multiplication 50. Okay, now if we cut here, divide both number, this one 50, here 50, we have here 100. So if we divide by 50, then we have here 1, here we have 2. Okay, now if we divide both number by 2, then we have here 1 and here we have 2 1. Okay, 21. That means here 21. So that means 21 girl students are in the class. Therefore 21 girl students are in the class. That is the answer. Okay, now let's fill the blanks. Here number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 1, 25 liters are what percent of 50 liters? These are very important for your exam. Okay, 25 liters are what percent of 50 liters? If we let 25 liters are X percent of 50 liters, then we have here 25 liters are number 1. Okay, 25 liters are X percent of 50 liters. That means here we have X percent of 50 equals to 25. So we have here X percent, that means X by 100 of that is multiplication into 50 equals to 25. So we have to find the value of X. That means here if we divide this number by 50, then we have here 2, here 1. So we have x by 2 equals to 25. Now here 2 is in division form, so if we change the side, then we have x equals to 25. This is in division form. If we change the side, then we have here multiplication. 2 is 25 into 2, so x equals to 50. That means 25 liters are 50% of 50 liters. So the result is 50%. That is our required result. Okay, now number 2 here. What kilograms are 20% of 120 kg? What kilograms are 20% of 120 kilograms? That means here 20, number 2, 20% of 120 equals to what? We have to find that. So if we calculate here 20%, that means 20 by 100, and of, that means multiplication into 120. Now if we divide, here we have 0 1 0 1 0, here we have 1 0 1 0, that means here 2 into 12, so that is equals to 24. So 24 kilograms, 24 kilograms, that is 24. Okay, here that is 24, and here we have 50. So 24 kilograms are 20% of 120 kg. And number 3 here. Number 3. Okay. The question is 16 people are 32% of what people? That means you have to find out the total number of people here. Here similarly, if we let x people here, okay, that means 16 people are 32% of x people. That is 32% of x, that is equals to 16. Okay. If you can make a mathematical sentence from the given question, okay, given problem, then it will be easier for you to solve that question. Okay, now here if we let x here, that means 32% of x is equals to 16. So 32% of x equals to 16. Now if we calculate, then we have here 32%, that means 32 by 100 into x equals to 16. Okay, now if we divide here, okay, now here we have 100 is in division, so we have 32 into x equals to, if we change the side, then we will have here 100 is in multiplication. Okay, or we have to find x, the value of x. Here 32 is in multiplication form, so if we change the side, then it will be in division. Okay, 16 into 100, 32. Here 32 is in division mode. Now if we divide both number by 16, then we have 16 into 16. If we divide 16 by 16, then we have 1. 16 if 32, then we have here, if we divide 32 by 16, then we have here 2. Okay, now divide the number by 2, then here we have 1, here we have 50. Okay, that means the value of x is equals to 50. So 16 people our 32% of 50 people. Here we have the value 50. Here this is our required result. Okay, you have similar types of problem in exercise 9. These are your home task, and also these two, and you have another problem in page number 95. That will be your home task also. Okay, thank you all.